if you've reached this video so far, then well done. But this is the final video of the series. This is the conclusion. And yeah, I just want to say well done. This is going to be, we're just going to go over everything we've done so far. The first thing you did in this series was learning how to install Python. I'm not going to go over that because there's really nothing to go over. It's the installation. Then we started right at the beginning with inputs and outputs. And that was brilliant. That was great. I think this is our hello world script here. Yeah, what is your age? 4. 45. Stuff like that. So if we edit this, as you can see, this is like one of the first things we did. Inputs and outputs. Print and input. Right here. Now, that was quite simple. Then we moved up to variables and data types, which that was pretty simple. I'm not going to go over that again. That's just, you know, integers, booleans, strings, etc. Then we've got if statements. We did go over if statements. Enter a number. 4. Now, it doesn't actually do anything with the number. If I edit with idle, you'll see we've got some things here. So if we run this again, if we say like 45, the number is larger than 5. Yeah, we started with basic if statements. While loops, while loops were, you know, they weren't brilliant. Most complicated thing we'd done so far at that stage, but we managed to really simplify it and make it nice and easy. Just simply, 4 lines of code right here. Which, yeah, pretty simple. Then after while loops, we moved on to for loops. And for loops were not that good. I can't appear to open that. Yeah, for loops were not brilliant. They just weren't. For loops are probably they're my least favourite loops, to be honest. But we got past it. Lists we did have a little play around with. Very simple list here. Then List.Append, we had a look at adding items to a list at the end. So we'd add like cyan. List.Pop, removing items from a list. Apparently I don't have anything in here. That is not good. Then we talked about List.Replace as well, which is replacing an item with a list. Nested loops, they were a bit annoying, but as you can see, we got there in the end. This was quite a confusing little algorithm we wrote, but we got there. After that, we talked about linear search, so now we're getting into the more recent programs, and this was this is the most complicated thing I think we've programmed in the whole series. Then we talked about binary search. There's really not much to binary search. I've got it all up here somewhere. Yeah, here, binary search. Not much to it. My bad, diagrams here. That is merge sort, sorry, binary search, here we go. Where it halves the list. We just talked about the idea behind it. Next we've got a merge sort. A merge sort was quite complicated. It had like terrible little diagrams. Let me like rub those out or something, I don't know. Forget those. Yeah, well, we start with an initial list. As we work the way down the list, it will get unordered until about the halfway mark, and then as we work back through, it will become more and more ordered. Then we talked about the bubble sorts, which was quite confusing, but we got there. And as I said, we got there with everything. The whole reason I'm making this video is just to sum up everything we've done, and also rounds the series off to 20 episodes, so it's not on 19. Then after that, we had a programming challenge here, which was pretty good, to be honest. This wasn't too bad. It was quite hard, I will admit. It was quite a hard challenge, but it really it gets everything you've learned in the series together, and it puts it all into one algorithm, which is good. So it helps you remember it. Then we talked about modules, which were being able to access different scripts from another script, things like that. And then we talked about basic libraries, math, and stuff like that. So maths, I said basic libraries. We only did math, didn't we? Yeah, so like math.py, I think abs. Oh, sorry, I don't remember. It's been a while. Let me open it up. Where is it? It's under math here. Yeah, so math.ceil, math.square root, math.floor, math.py. We also talked about the built-in ones, min, max, abs, and pow. And that's basically it. And we did reading and writing to files as well. So that's it, everyone. That's all we did in this series. So I did hope you enjoyed. Now that this series is done, I'm going to start expanding out a bit more. Cutting down on a better schedule for uploading. And we'll see where we go. So, thanks for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this series so far. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And goodbye, everyone. I'll see you in the next series, whatever that may be.